Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. And if you want to enable this, you'll check my progress, check the video description. Now, the first thing what you need to do, we need to launch the Looker Studio. Come to the task 1, right click, open incognito window, click on Use it for free. For the credentials, come to the lab instructions, and from here we have to paste it. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here we have to create a blank report. Just select your country. Okay, just select your country. Yes to all. And if you're unable to see, continue, just zoom out. Once all these things are done, okay. Once all these things are done, just click on create blank report. It will take some time. Now from here, we have to select quick query, authorize yourself, select the student ID, and now come to the lab instruction. Now from here, we have to just click on this type data to inside, copy carefully from the shared project's name, just paste it. So if it is not working, do one thing, select your project ID, select it, and here we have to add e-commerce and sales report. So from here, just search this e-commerce, and from here you can type just sales report. Just select the sales report only. Now click on add. It will take some time, so wait for it. Now just click on add to report. Now finally, we have completed this particular task. The report has been generated. Now simply come to the lab instruction and check the score. You can see we got the score, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. For other lab courses and solutions, check the playlist.